All right, today we get a set of tweezers, and this is a pair, all right, two different pairs. So we're gonna take a look at them and see what you get. Now, first of all, when you first get them out of the box, this is not removable. This is part of it. It's actually to protect whatever it is that you're grabbing. If it's something slippery, this actually it's a rubber end. It's dipped in rubber, so it could hold on to certain things instead of slipping off. So if you're gonna grab screws from a laptop or pull something small, you can use this very simple. And if you need a flat one, you can always go with the flat surfaces on this part. And look at this, it kind of stick together. So it's kind of like, it's not magnetic. It's just part of the actual substance that it has in here, right? And of course, two different colors. So in case you're working with chemicals or anything like that, you could distinguish with the colors, different colors, all right? So I like that they give you the two different pairs with two different size colors on top of it. And of course, you get the pair of four, pair of two. All right, when grabbing stuff, my fingers are very large, so I like to grab a tweezers, a set of tweezers, and grab some screws. You guys can see here it is. It's grabbing the screws very neat. From here, the washers are probably the hardest thing to grab on, and look at that, grabbing on the washers. If you guys can see, I'm gonna put the light. So it's grabbing on the washers, and these are little tiny washers, all right? Really tiny washers. Now taking them off, it's another thing. So here it is, putting them on there. And you could grab anything very small if you're gonna be very petite if you're working with it. Like these screws are really tiny, so you guys can see that. M.2 screws that you have to put them in there. I always lose them, but look at that. The tweezers are able to get them. And this is with the pointy ones. The longer ones, I would suggest maybe something flatter. Like you can still grab on the screws, still, it still works. But the washers are going to be a little harder because they don't have a point. You guys can see that, but you could grab anything else with it. And I'm just demonstrating you here how you can do things. So very simple, inexpensive. I hope you guys enjoy the video.